In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ShareIt for Android. By the end, you will have ShareIt installed and ready to transfer files on your device. First, open the Google Play Store. You will usually see its multicolored play button icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Play Store homepage with recommended apps and a search bar at the top. Now tap the search bar at the very top of the screen. The keyboard will slide up from the bottom, and the search field will be ready for you to type. You might also notice some recent searches listed below if you have used the Play Store before. Search for ShareIt transfer, share files. Type that full name so you get the correct result. As you start typing, you may see suggestions appear underneath, but keep going until the full app name is entered, then look at the results that appear. From the search results, select the app by Smart Media 4U Technology Pte. Limited. Make sure the name matches exactly, since many copycat apps use similar icons or names. When you tap the correct result, you will open the app details page with the ShareIt logo at the top, along with the install button and screenshots. Next, tap Install. The button will change to show a download progress bar, and you might see a small notification appear at the top of your screen. If you are on mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, your phone may show a quick warning about data use before it starts downloading. Wait for the installation to finish. During this time, you will see the progress indicator move, and then the button will change from Install to Open. On some devices, you may also notice a new ShareIt icon quietly added to your app drawer while you wait. Once the button changes, tap Open. This will immediately launch ShareIt for the first time. You should now see the ShareIt welcome or introduction screen, usually with the app logo and some short text about transferring files. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to set up ShareIt and grant the permissions it needs. The app will usually ask for access to files, media, photos, and sometimes nearby devices so it can discover other phones. Read each permission pop-up, then tap Allow so ShareIt can actually send and receive files between devices. A common beginner mistake here is tapping Deny, which prevents ShareIt from seeing your files at all. So if you do that by accident, close and reopen the app so it asks again. When you finish these prompts, you will land on the main ShareIt screen with options to send or receive files, which means everything is ready to use. You have now downloaded ShareIt from the Google Play Store, installed it, and completed the basic setup so you can start sharing files. If this helped you get ShareIt running, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Android how-tos.